In this project, we use the following components: USB power cable, battery snapper, 9-volt battery, DC motor with fan, relay module, breadboard, Arduino Nano, and jumper wires. These components help us to create a simple vacuum cleaner mechanism. Now we start building the circuit. Connect the relay module to Arduino Nano, relay VCC to 5V, relay GND to GND, relay in to D2. The relay module controls the DC motor safely. Now connect the DC motor using relay module. Battery positive to relay COM. Relay no to motor positive. Motor negative to battery negative. The relay acts like a switch for the vacuum motor. Now open M block and write down the code. Once the code is done, then you need to connect Arduino by using USB cable. Now the system is ready. When the relay turns on, the DC motor starts rotating. Airflow is generated like a vacuum cleaner. This DC motor starts rotating when the relay turns off. The motor stops rotating. This demonstration the basic working of vacuum cleaner using DC motor. This project is used in robotic vacuum cleaner systems, smart cleaning projects, robotic learning, DC motor automations project. It is a simple and beginner-friendly project for understanding motor control using Arduino Nano and relay module. Thank you and happy learning.